And there it is, and of course I'm very excited. Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This is a European version. Wow, there is a thick accessory case, the device itself, what's on the accessories, SIM card tool, a cable, USB Type-C to A, manual, and a case. Incredible, there's no charger. What a disappointment. On the device, you will find 201-inch megapixel telephoto camera, Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, Quad HD screen, long-lasting battery, which is a bit smaller than Chinese one, for, well, a lot smaller, 90-watt charging, 8-watt wireless, and powered by OS. And there it is. Wow, it has such a huge lens at the top, right there, the telephoto. It's like my finger. It's humongous. Let me close the look for you. Whoa. Huge. All right, what else do we have on this smartphone? Power button on the left, antenna, volume button, which are at the correct height. It's not too big, I like it. On the top, antennas, on the left, antennas. On the bottom, SIM card tray, mic, USB Type-C, 2 antennas, and the speaker. And of course, those huge cameras. Feels really nice in the hand. Wow. There's a plastic on the screen, and the screen itself is a little round at the edges. Just a little bit. Check it out. You see? And meanwhile, while I'm preparing the system, let me try the case. All right. That's a pretty hard case. And this does look like the case and feels good in the hand. It will protect the camera all around. See? There you go. And will protect the screen, mostly on the edges. Alright, but I guess enough of that B-roll nonsense. A proper 120 Hz on this smartphone looks amazing, but for some reason I don't have a Google News on the left. This is a European version, so it should be. Maybe I've switched something, I don't know. Let me know in the comment below. There's nothing. Weird. In settings, display, we do have 120 Hz fixed, 60 or automated. I prefer 120. Quad HD Plus also available, Full HD if you want to reserve the battery a little bit. AI engine, super resolution if you wanted to, and all kinds of features. But we're going to stick to a camera, just unboxing, full review coming soon. New app. And with the new app, we do have a little bit of less features what I expected. Or maybe I've switched something again, because after the documents, there's no extra features. See? There's that, and that's all it is. Well, Pro. And in Pro, we do have log, if you want to film and log. Maybe you want to film and log. Maybe you do. I don't know. I don't. Anyway, we do have a little bit of zoom. It all depends which lens you will start. We can do wide angle. This is fully manual. And also 8K 30 or 4K 120 is available. For photo, JPEG, RAW, Ultra RAW, Leica Authentic, Leica Vibrant, all kinds of filters. Ooh, many of them. Let's continue to a video. In a video, teleprompter, super macro, 16:9 aspect ratio. And in a photo, a little bit of zoom for you. All the way to 30x, but it's struggling a little bit with the artificial light. Bam. Let's see that photo. Clean. Super clean. I like it. Maybe the screen is... No. The amp is a bit... The AV receiver is dusty. See the particles? Wow. Oh, I need to clean it up. Anyway, you can go all the way to 120. And with the video, 30. Look how smooth that is. Switching lenses. And I do have a little bit of feedback. Wow. Impressive. And then the front-facing camera, 4K 60. Portrait. And documents. It wants to scan that monitor. Not sure why, but... it is what it is. Let me show you some samples. This one can record all the way to 4K 60 frames per second from the front-facing camera and 8K 30 from the main lens. Front-facing camera, how wide it is? Wide. Is it going to overexpose the sky? Yes, it will. Similar to the iPhones. Impressive. And when I'm out of the frame, should compensate quickly. Really good. Huge upgrade from the previous models. You see the sky? It's overexposed, but not too much. Winning. Do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? Unfortunately, we don't. And I think it's a similar camera to regular 15. Why would you need autofocus on the front-facing camera, for example? If you want to show some details, you won't be able to. Blurry image. Let me switch to the wide-angle lens. We cannot switch lenses during the recording, front and back, which is well, this is a ultimate camera smartphone. We should have such a feature. Unfortunately, we have to switch it off. And there it is. Wide-angle lens, directly to the sun, really nice. A quick autofocus. You cannot go too close. Wow, that is not like in the iPhones. Well, let me do it again on a tree. Wait a minute. Okay, I was worried we don't have autofocus in wide-angle lens. We do, but it's slow. Again? Come on. Oof, super slow. Definitely firmware update is needed. Extremely slow. Wow. Check out the sun. Looks really nice. Alright. Vlogging style, if you want to vlog from this smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. Very wide and impressive. No wind. That's super cool. A little bit. Internal microphones, of course. Main lens. Let's check the bokeh. Way quicker now. Intense bokeh. Again. Intense. A little bit of macro. Alright. Oh, a bit windy now. We do have a microphone on the front, so you could hear me a bit better. Well, in theory, at least. I have to watch out for landmines. Dog poo. And let's test the telephoto. 2x. Whoa. Nice. 3x. Beautiful. 4x. Very clean image. Going to 5, 6, 7. Wow. That's the best quality telephoto I've seen ever in any smartphone. 15x. Stunning look. All the way to 30x in 60 frames per second. Okay, in 30x we do have a little bit of noise. Just a little bit. So I guess 20 will be clean. Going back. Look how far we are. And how smooth is the switching lenses during the recording. I hope the audio will be good, not bad. Alright, let me zoom to that dog. Look how good that is. Really good. Alright, with 30, so I guess 20 is the limit for the optics, I guess. Let's do it again, because the telephoto is the key in this smartphone. You see, switching between lenses, you see that? Bam. A little bump, just a tiny one. Super impressive. Great. And of course in telephoto we do have autofocus all the way. Ooh. No. Alright. So a little bit firmware, a firmware update is definitely needed. I just did a firmware update, but further updates are needed. This is a brand new device, so there'll be more updates to go. Anyway. Colors are vibrant and beautiful in a wide-angle lens. I'm eating a peanut butter Snickers, which is really delicious. But I think I had them too many of them. And the main lens also. Tremendous colors. And the front-facing camera also colors. Impressive.
Be the best.
No copyright sound.
Mountains too high,
Impressive.
oceans too wide. I take a leap of faith for you. I touch the sky.
Sounds brilliant. AI,
What can I do for you?
what's the best smartphone camera in the world?
That's a tough one, since it depends a lot on what you care about most. Overall, the Google Pixel phones tend to get a lot of praise for their photo quality. But if you like zooming in on things, some of the Samsung Galaxy models have better zoom lenses.
Calm
Do you have a
down,
specific
calm
feature?
down. What about Xioami?
Xiaomi makes some really solid phones at a great price. The Xiaomi 13 Pro has fantastic cameras, and it's definitely one of the best values out there. But if you want the absolute best image quality, you might have to spend a bit more on a Pixel or Samsung.
Ah. Do you hear that clicking? My AI in LG OLED is getting confused. So much different AI in this studio. So, LG, calm down. Quiet. Calm down. So even AI don't think this is the best camera in the world. Personally, I think Vivo X100 Ultra is the best at the moment. It's a pretty old phone without the AI and thing, but has a great optics, fantastic battery, and switching lenses during recording, autofocus everywhere, amazing. European version is heavy castrated, no charger, less battery, weird, expensive. Well, I do have a link for you for the Chinese version, which has all those features and lower price. How cool is that? And also in English language and many languages. Link in the description. Check it out. I also pre-ordered a Chinese version, which I think will be much better, hardware-wise, and who knows, maybe even software-wise. Maybe. And I have a surprise for you. I will put the link for photo and video samples, original samples, which you can download and check it out. Do remember, copyright is still on them, so just for personal use, please. If you know what I mean. See you next video.